Hey guys, it's me Aiden, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. And today I'll be unboxing the Ready2Robot. So this package is in a hexagon, 3D hexagonal prism, and it says at the top here, Ready2Robot Build Swap Battle. It says here what it comes with. It says 2 arms, a cockpit for them to sit in, 2 weapons, slime, 2 legs, and a pilot. And it says has some slime here and 2 of the characters in their robots. So let's just open it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it. It's hard to get. Just a minute. So now we have more packaging to go through. It has a lot of slime oozing down, and it has a lot of it has a bunch of parts that you get, and out here popping out is the checklist. So we have another layer to go through. Also, this one's tough to get. Get the checklist out. So then we have the checklist, and it shows you all the characters. There's one page where it has the battle packs here, and then it also has all the pilots and the mysteries. And then on this, it has all of them. If you want to look at it, you can pause it. And up here, it looks like there's a rare one, I think. It looks like half pipe, ultra rare light up figure. So this comes in 4 little parts, and it says their chamber number, so it has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we take it up. It all comes in little blind bags, and right now we have number 1. I think this is the cockpit. It has a nice metallic color. Chamber number 2 has a lot of green bags. It has the detail of these figurines are really good. So it has little treads here kind of like a tank looking thing, and they have little ball points. I got another leg, so these are the two legs with the cockpit. So right now my figure could be, I think I got interface. That's who my figurine could be. I got, not sure what this is. It's just like a ball. So we'll see what we get after. Whoop. And we have the last 3 bags here. We have another one of these ball things. I think this is an arm, I think, or something like that. So then this last one must be another one. Yep. So I'll just assemble this. It's easy to move around and maneuver. You really got to wedge them in there to get them on. I'll just do that after. You're probably wondering, where does the figure go? So right here is the thing where it says which pilot is it? Which pilot is ready to battle? So you got to push it out. And it shoots out like that. So I got a navy blue looking slime. Let's check it out. I may need a placemat for this. Eva, could you go grab a placemat? Very goopy slime. Whoop. Very, very gooey. Whoop. Thank you. Ooh. Take off all the goop. And it looks like this is, checking on the placemat, this is what he looks like. He's wearing black armor. He's got, he has a ready to battle face, it looks like. And his armor is very detailed. I'll just check the checklist over there and see which one we got. Looks like we got interface. This is him right here. Don't know if they have rarity or anything, but that is who we got. So just let me try and clean this off so you can see it a little better. So this is him. He has a cool helmet. All around he has the legs. And he has these 2 little feet here. And that's for putting him into the robot. There are 2 little holes here so you can stick him in. Okay. And he just fits in like that. So stick the other leg on here. And yeah, you can display your figurine once you have it on. Once you have your figurine on, you can display it on one of the things, on these chambers. You can, once you have built it, this one isn't cooperating. Anyway, so on these chambers, you can put on your figurine, and they sort of, when you buy different ones, they sort of slip in together. And yeah, so this was my Ready2Robot. This was my Ready2Robot unboxing, and hope you liked it. So as you can see, we have the Christmas tree here. So it's Christmas, and now Ava has something she wants to show you.
I got the Pick Me Pops surprise, and it smells like bubble gum. And I got a common, and I got sorbet, the bear, and it smells so good. And it has cone ears, and then it has like a rainbow type of body thing.
So that was our unboxing video. One more look at the checklist. If you want to see, you can pause the video.
And one more look at my checklist. You can pause the video on any side. There's 2 sides.
So yeah, that was our unboxing video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.